Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, we are going to be learning how to sign in to Udemy or log into Udemy account. If you want to log into your existing Udemy account so that you can continue using your courses or starting a new one, first of all, launch open the Udemy app on your device. Once you're inside this page, look for the sign in option which should be located at the bottom. After you do that, go to the login option, which will be presented on the next page. Enter your login credential. You can choose to log in with Google account, Facebook, or your Apple ID, but if you've previously chosen the email option while signing up, you'll need to do the same. Type down your email address associated with Udemy. Now once you are done, click on Login. On the next page, enter your 6-digit character code that was sent to you via email. Open up the email and you should receive an email from Udemy. Copy the code in it and paste it inside the Udemy app. Once you are done entering your code, click on Login and you will then be logged into your Udemy account. So that's how it's super easily and quickly done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.